Good morning, children. Hope all of you are doing well. Today's lesson is Unit 11 on the menu, Students' Book, page number 70 and 71. Now look at the text, page number 70. It's vocabulary talking about food. Match the food and drink in the pictures with the words in the box. So you have to match the food and drink in the picture with the words in the box. So write the app number down. See, food, apples, yogurt, bananas. Put the correct number in order. So what is first one? What it is? Toast. 2. Bread. 3. Apples. 4. Exactly. Bananas. 5. It is hot chocolate. 6. Cereal. 7. Coffee. 8. Water. 9. Yeah, orange juice. 10. Milk. 11. Yeah, beans. 12. Eggs. 13. It's yogurt. 14. Olives. 15. It's cheese. 16. Tomatoes. Very good. 17. Mushrooms. 18. Jam. 19. Tea. Correct. Now move on to exercise 2. Read the information in the lookout box, then divide the food and drink in exercise 1 into 2 groups, countables and uncountable nouns. What is countable and uncountable nouns? Countable means what is countable? Yeah, the things that you can count. It's very easy. And uncountable means things that you can't count. So countable nouns have a singular and plural form. For example, an apple, 2 apples. And uncountable nouns, they have only singular form, like toast, milk. For example, toast, only singular form is there, no toast. Milk, no milks, correct? So they are uncountable nouns. Countable nouns there, uncountable nouns there. So now look at exercise 1 and we have to fill the columns with the matching words for countable nouns and uncountable nouns. For example, apples. Apples, what type of noun it is? Countable or uncountable? Yeah, countable nouns. And bread, it is uncountable noun. Bread is uncountable noun. Correct. So now we have to fill the blanks with the countable and uncountable nouns. We have to fill the blanks with the countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, see, apples, it is countable noun. Then what is next? Bananas, countable nouns. Then beans, countable nouns. Then eggs, countable nouns. Then olives, countable nouns. Very good. We can count it, right? Mushrooms, very good. Tomatoes, excellent. These all are countable nouns. Now look at uncountable nouns. Toast, we can't count it. Bread, hot chocolate, cereal, coffee, water, orange juice, milk, yogurt, cheese, jam, the last one, tea. All these are uncountable nouns. All these are uncountable nouns. So now move on to listening. Okay, now listen to the tape script. Listen to the 3 orders for room service. Write the room number and take the food and drink that they order. That's what we have to do. So listen to the tape script now. Listen carefully. Number 1, room service. Hello, room service. Man. Oh, hello. I want to order breakfast, please. Room service. Room number. Man. It's 101. Room service. 101. Okay, yes, I am ready. Man. Oh well, I would like a bowl of cereal, please. Room service. Okay. Anything to drink? Tea or coffee? Man. Wait a moment. I want tomatoes and eggs too. Room service. Okay. Tomatoes and eggs. And do you want bread or toast with that? Man. Toast, please. 2 slices of toast. Room service. And to drink? Man. I would like a glass of orange juice and a cup of hot chocolate. Room service. Orange juice and hot chocolate. Okay, 10 minutes. Now, next order, move on to the next one. Room service. Hello, room service. Man. Oh, hello. Can I order some breakfast, please? Room service. Room number? Man. It's 257. Room service. 257. Yes, I am ready. Man. I would like some cheese, please. Room service. Cheese and bread. Man. Yes, please. And jam. Room service. Bread and jam. Any cereal, fruit. Man. Can I have a banana, please? Room service. Yes. Anything to drink? Man. A cup of tea, please. Room service. Is that all? Man. That's all. Thank you. Now the third one. Room service. Hello, room service. Man. Oh, hello. I want to order some food for breakfast. Room service. Room number? It's 569. Room service. 569. Yeah. Man. I would like cereal, please. Room service. Just a moment, please. 569. Okay, I am ready. Man. A bowl of cereal, please. Room service. Cereal? Anything else? Man. Yes, please. I want eggs and a banana. Room service. Eggs and a banana. Any bread or toast? Man. No thanks. Room service. To drink? Man. A cup of coffee, please. And a bottle of water. Room service. Coffee and a bottle of water. Okay, 5 minutes. So this is the end of the tape script. Now what you have to do? You have to write the answer for what type of food and drink they order. Room 101 is there. What is the second room? Yeah, 257. And the last one, room number 569. Room 101, room 257, room number 569. Very good. So, what room number 101 is ordering? Yes, you have to put tick accordingly. Yeah. Cereal, room number 101. Cereal, very good. Tomatoes, excellent. Very good. Eggs, toast, orange juice, yeah, hot chocolate. So these are the foods room number 101 is ordering. Now room 257, what all are the food they are ordering? Cheese, correct. Bread, jam, banana and tea. Very good. Put tick accordingly. Then room number 569, cereal, yeah, eggs, very good. Banana, coffee, yeah, the last one is water. These are the foods and drinks they are ordering. Now look at the second exercise. Match the two halves of these expressions from the dialogues, then listen again and check your answers. So number one, a bowl of cereal, B. Number one, B. 2 slices of bread or toast or cereal or water. Yeah, there is no bread, right? Yeah, 2 slices of toast. 2 slices of toast. So number 2, D. Number 1, B. Number 3, a glass of water, glass of orange juice. No, a glass of orange juice. Very good. A glass of orange juice. Number 3, A. Number 4, a cup of Hot chocolate, tea or coffee. Correct. A bottle of water. Very good. Now move on to the speaking. Speak. Work in pairs. Find out your partner has breakfast. We can't do all these things now. So what do you have for breakfast? What do you have for breakfast? I always have a bowl of cereal and eggs. So what do you have? So what do you drink? I usually drink a cup of coffee. Then, so for example, what do you have for lunch? I usually have a sandwich. What about you? I have some olives and cheese. What do you drink? I always drink water. And you? I sometimes have a glass of milk. So, like this, we can say, correct? Yeah. If you are doing it regularly, you can use what? Always. Sometimes, and usually, most of the times, maybe you are using these. What kind of foods you are using, you can change it accordingly. So, now move on to page number 71, articles. Articles explore. A is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal or thing, which are not specific. We don't use it before uncountable or plural nouns. Okay, we don't use it before. You know what uncountable noun, countable noun, we explained it before and you will know it very well, I know. So we don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a consonant sound like ba, ka, da, fa, g, ha, j, k, so like this, etc., a comes before the noun. Okay. For example, a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a house, a bike, a table, a boy, like that. And an. An is used in front of singular countable nouns. Same like a, an also used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. But the is entirely different. We don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. If the noun starts with a vowel sound, what all are the vowel sounds? Yeah. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, you know. So, an comes before the noun. An apple, an egg, an old man, an uncle, an hour, an and, like this. So, now look at the. We use the in front of all the nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable, uncountable, it doesn't matter. To describe someone or something specific or unique. Something which is unique, extraordinary or specific if we want to introduce. Like the earth, the world, the air. The world is one only. Earth is one only. Moon, the sea or the sun. Something which is very specific. So for that we can use, if we want to introduce something also new, we can use the. Okay. So what is an article? Basically an article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify the nouns. Modify the nouns. How? Yeah. How it is modifying the noun? How it is modifying the noun? See the examples. An apple. So from that we can understand how many apples are there. One apple is only there, right? A cat, a house. So it is modifying the noun. It is modifying that word. An old man, the world, the earth. So like that it is somewhat an adjective that modify the nouns. English has two articles, the, and, a, and an. The is used to refer to specific or particular noun. A or an is used to non-specific or non-particular nouns. We call the definite article and a and an, the indefinite article. So if you want to know more about this, you must know what is definite article and indefinite article. What is definite article? Definite, sure, we are saying like that, right? So what is definite article? The is definite article. This is used before a noun to eradicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. Like, please close the door. Already you know what it is. The identity of the noun is known to the reader. So, for example, please close the door. I like the book you gave me. I like the book you gave me. So, the is used there, right? So, the indefinite article is a or an. These are indefinite article. A or an is used before noun. That is common or identity is not known. Some common things, or the identity is not known to the reader. For example, a pen, a pencil, an orange, like this, a table. For example, understood? Okay. So now look at your textbook, page number 71. Articles, explore. I'm not explaining much because these are articles and you people, most of them know about it, right? So for others only I'm explaining in detail. So articles, explore, read the text, find examples of the, a and an. So whenever you are getting the articles, just underline it. There are 3 restaurants near my house. On the high street, underline. There is a Chinese restaurant, underline a, and an Italian restaurant, underline an. The Chinese restaurant is good, underline the, but it's expensive. The Italian restaurant is cheaper, underline the, and the pizzas there are brilliant, underline the. There is an Indian restaurant, underline an, on Mill Lane. I don't go to the Indian restaurant, underline the, because the food is not very good, underline the. Okay, it's very easy. Got it, right? Okay, now move on to the next one. Look at the examples of the a and an in the text. What kinds of noun do they go with? Tick or cross the boxes in the chat. So you have to do it by yourself. If it is singular countable noun, write a or an. If we can use a or an, tick it. If not using in singular countable noun, no need to write there. And same like the, in same case the also. Plural countable nouns, uncountable noun. If we are using a or an with the singular countable nouns, you can tick it there. If not using, no need to tick there. So tick or cross accordingly. Okay. Now move on to exercise 3, page number 71. Write a or an. What is the rule? So we know the rule. Banana. Yeah. A banana. An English book. Very good. An egg. Very good. Yeah. An Indian restaurant. A Spanish orange. An enormous tomato. What is enormous? Yeah, very big. An uncle. A young American. Very good. A young American. Okay. Now move on to exercise 4. Study the text in exercise 1 again, then circle the correct words in the rows below and complete the examples. We use a or an or the when we mention something for the first time. We already discussed it. There is dash supermarket in my street. A supermarket. We use a or an or the when we mention something again. The food at dash supermarket is expensive. The food at the supermarket is expensive. Very good. Now move on to the next one. Exploit. Circle the correct word in the text. Just I am skimming and scanning. Just go through it. Circle the correct word in the text. In 2001, Richard Evans went to a or the pizza parlor. A pizza parlor. Very good. Correct. A pizza parlor near his house and bought a large vegetarian pizza or the large vegetarian pizza. What is the answer? Number 2. A. Correct. When he got home, he opened a box and saw a box or the box. He opened the box. Correct answer is the. And saw that it was the meat pizza. It was the meat pizza or a meat pizza? A. He went back to the shop and complained. He went back to the shop and complained. Yeah, we are particular about it. The shop and complained. The waiter apologized, but Richard was still angry. A waiter apologized or the waiter? Yeah, the waiter apologized. Question number 6. The is the answer. But Richard was still angry, so he phoned his local newspaper. A reporter said that lot of people complained about getting. A reporter said or the reporter said? Yeah, the reporter said. Number 7. The. That's lots of people complained about getting a or the wrong pizza from the same pizza parlor. The wrong pizza from the same pizza parlor. The is the answer. Number 8. The. Number 9. A or the newspaper wrote. The newspaper. We are particular about it. The newspaper wrote an article. The article. An article. Number 10. An. About the pizza parlor. About a pizza parlor. Not any pizza parlors. The pizza parlor which we are telling. So the pizza parlor. Now a or the pizza parlor is very careful when it takes orders. The pizza parlor or a pizza parlor? Any pizza parlors? No, the pizza parlor is very careful when it takes orders. Now I will tell the answers once again. Just check it. Number one is a. Number 2 a. Number 3 the. Number 4 a. Number 5 the. Number 6 the. Number 7 the. Number 8 the. Number 9 the. Number 10 and. Number 11 the. Number 12 the. Very good. Now move on to the exercise 2. Read the information in the learn this box, then complete the sentence with a, an or the, or tick them if they are correct without an article. Some common expressions include an article and others do not. There are no rules. You have to learn them. There are no rules. We have to learn by ourselves. Like while we are using, we must know it. Okay, this is the way it is using. Like for example, play football, tennis, etc. No article, no need of any article there. For watching television, watch television, have breakfast or lunch or dinner, go to school or go to work, go to university, go to hospital or at night. No need of any article there. But listen to music, listen to radio, see a film, have a snack, have a drink, have a sandwich. So we can use articles there. Go to the theater, the cinema, the doctors, go to the doctor during the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. All these things we can use the article. In these words we can use the article. So there is no rules for that. We have to use it accordingly. We have to use it wisely. Okay, question number 1. See the exercise. Question number 1 to 10 is there. Now tell me the answers. See how we have to do it. Tick them if they are correct without an article. So if we need to correct it, we have to write the correct article. If no need to correct it, if it is correct, if they are correct without an article, what we have to do? We have to put a tick only. So question number 1, there is a tick. He goes to work by train. So no need of any article there, right? It's a common expression, no need of any article. So there is a tick. Question number 2. I went to the cinema last night. Is it correct? Yes. Correct. It's correct. Next one. He never eats anything before he goes to school. That is correct. Go to the theater, go to the cinema, go to the doctor. All these are correct. Question number 4. My sister is a nurse and often works at night. No need of any article. Correct. Works at night. Works in a hospital. Go to hospital. Work in a hospital, or going to the university. Go to school. Go to university. All these things. No need of any article. So usually next one. He never eats anything before he goes to school. No need of any article. Number 4. My sister is a nurse and often works at dash night. Yeah, no need of article. Works at night. No need of article. Next one. Question number 5. He usually does his homework in dash morning. In morning. No, in the morning. So number 5, right? The. Number 6. Let's have dash snack before we go out. Let's have a snack before we go out. Very good. Number 7. What time do you usually have dinner? No need of any article there. That is correct. So put a tick. Number 7, put a tick. Number 8. I sometimes listen to dash radio on the bus. Listen to the radio. Listen to the radio. That is correct. We have to put the. We have to put the. So no need to put a tick. Write the. Number 9. I want to go to dash university when I leave school. Go to school, go to work, go to hospital, go to university, all. No need of any article. Put a tick. Question number 10. I never watch dash TV before breakfast. Is it correct? The TV, a TV, and TV, anything, any article we need there? No. So I never watch TV before breakfast. Put a tick. Correct. Exactly. So we completed page number 70 and 71. Thank you. Have a nice day.